Hello everybody. I have used a rainy day to create a new throwing machine, and it's a kind of a chicken launcher. It works with two arrows. The first arrow is for the trigger, and I hope the trigger is steady enough for some arrow hits. And this part gives me some time to knock the second arrow, and the second arrow of course to shoot the flying chicken. I hope so. And here are some strings so I don't lose the small pieces. And if the sun is shining again and I have found the right place, I'll check the function and let you know how it works. Okay, that's my new throwing machine, and I hope I will have a lot of fun with it.